New to styles? Don't worry, you'll be editing in mere seconds. Upon purchase, you'll gain access to downloads. Simply click to download your files. Then hop over to the Downloads folder on your computer to find that CoStyle pack. Just double-click to import everything. No fussing with folders, no unzipping, no import process or manual placement. Capture One will launch. Inside, you'll find your new styles and style brushes. Styles will be organized by folder in the Custom Styles section of the Styles and Presets tool. Hover to preview your new Lux looks. The Lux effects options must be computed as these are creating AI masks to apply changes locally on your image. These can be stacked and opacity adjusted in your layers and masks. You can also apply a global, full image style after applying an effect option, and it won't overwrite your changes. Options will only be overwritten if they affect the same tool or settings as a previous option in a different or opposite way. Our adaptive exposure options will apply a relative exposure adjustment based on a set visual reference. These are great for matching exposure across a photo set. Now let's jump over to the Adjust tab to locate your new style brushes. You'll find these under Custom Style Brushes. Simply click a desired option and it will automatically create a named layer and put a brush in your hand. The best part? All adjustments are organized and adjustable in your Layers and Masks tool. You can clear specific changes, adjust opacity, and more with ease. Need help? Reach out to our friendly team at support@theluxalens.com.